Hello, this is Clement Farinier from Opus Technologies. So we are here at InfoComm Vegas to present our assistive listening solution. So Opus Technologies is a manufacturer of assistive solution based in France. And today we're going to review our hybrid series. So as an assistive listening manufacturer, we produce induction loop system, which is a technology allowing people fitted with a hearing aid with T-coil to capture an audio into their hearing aid through magnetic field. And we are also manufacturers of Auracast broadcasting system, which is the new Bluetooth protocol that has been released a couple of years ago here, at InfoComm. So here you have like three products. First one is the Aura Loop. So the Aura Loop is a portable solution, broadcasting in both T-coil hearing aid and Auracast One. It's portable, so working with a lithium battery, 12 hours autonomy. So for any of the reception desk you have, it's an easy way to turn it into accessible for hard of hearing people and get your ADA compliancy. So it's portable, you can use it at a reception desk, but let's say that then you have an interview with a hard of hearing employee, you can just take it to the HR office and then have your meeting, and then let's say you receive a hard of hearing CEO of a company, you just can take it and put it to another meeting room. Easy, plug and play, works with the lithium battery, 12-hour autonomy, inbuilt microphone, but we also have an external microphone for a better captation of the audio. And then we have the fixed version, which is the HTC20 over here and HMD1. These one are fixed drivers, so it's also an induction loop driver, but we have the possibility to have either like a system with Auracast inbuilt, meaning that same, for your room of about 150 square meters, so 400 feet, you would be able to broadcast the audio into Auracast and induction loop. One channel or two channel, so whatever the input you have, line, 100 volts, 70 volts, balance, and so on, you would be able to make the product compatible for legacy hearing aid and the new one. Hybrid range, Aura by Opus. If you want to know more about our solution, feel free to go to our website, www.opus-technologies.fr. And yeah, happy to see you.